Again, good morning, children. Because that Zoom is over, I think so. Another teacher used that. Now listen here. We are talking. I continue. Let me finish between 5 minutes. Trapezium. So what I am telling? Area of a trapezium. Area of trapezium. Please look the page number 172. The method is there. We are cutting into two triangles. Trapezium. I told you this is a trapezium like this or like this. One pair is parallel. Here we can cut one triangle. Here we can cut another triangle. Like this we can take, we can make a rectangle. So trapezium, I told you, one pair is parallel. That is a trapezium. Now here we are getting, by cutting this method, see my trapezium was, like this. So here you are getting one triangle, here also another triangle, whatever be that. This is A and this is B and this is H. By using these three things, we are telling the formula for finding area of a trapezium. That means height into sum of parallel side divided by 2. That I can say area of a trapezium. Area of trapezium. That means sum of parallel side means A plus B, sir. Okay. Height A plus B into H. H is the height and divided by 2. A plus B into H by 2, or half A plus B into H. That means height into sum of parallel side divided by 2. Okay. Now please write the formula. Trapezium. I told you, draw a trapezium. You draw. Already you do. You did not, I think so. Now you have to write the formula. So area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium. This is trapezium. Okay. Now listen here. Area of trapezium is equal to, short form I am using. That means height into, all of you please write, height into sum of the sides, no, sum of the parallel side, sum of the parallel sides, height into sum of the parallel sides divided by 2. Exactly same. Or half into height into sum of the parallel sides by 2. I wrote here. You can see here A plus B into H. Remember that A and B are the parallel side. Only one pair of parallel side we have. Two pair parallel side means it is a parallelogram. Okay, you know the parallelogram is a trapezium. Parallelogram is a trapezium, but trapezium not a parallelogram. One pair is parallel. So this formula I can say half into A plus B into H. Remember the formula. Half into A plus B into H. That means sum of the parallel side into height divided by 2. Study the formula. Because H is there. We know the formula for area of a triangle. B into H by 2. That means Pythagoras theorem of BH. We study that BH. Here also H is there. H is the altitude. H is the perpendicular distance. In a triangle it is the altitude. Here it is the distance between the two parallel sides. That is H. So straight line, that is. So half into A plus B into H. That is the formula for area of trapezium. In your textbook, please read page number 177. Many things are there. Then after that, page number 174, we are coming to another one. area of a general quadrilateral. You know, these all are quadrilateral. What is the general formula? After telling this formula, I will bind my class. Let me 3-4 minutes are the area of general quadrilateral. But before that, you have to revise. As you told morning, area of a rectangle is L into B. Area of a square is side into side. Area of a triangle BH by 2. Area of a circle pi r square. Remember that all, everything we need. I think 17 formula like that you have to remember that, study that. From circle we can manipulate, we can extend that into sphere. 3 dimension of circle is sphere, 3 dimension. You will study that. Now, 2 dimension rectangle is cuboid, and 2 dimension, what I can say, 3 dimension of rectangle is cuboid, then 3 dimension of square, that is cube. Then after that, cylinder is cuboid, what I can say, cone is the, sphere is the. But here now, area of general quadrilateral. Here also you have to study the formula, because I think general quadrilateral we have to study. So what do you mean by quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means, listen here, quadrilateral, not quadratic equation. Quadratic equation higher class we will study in class, next class, 9th class. Quadrilateral, this one, lateral, surface, area, sides are the. So quadrilateral. So trapezium is a quadrilateral. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral. Trapezium formula we found. Rectangle formula before you know. L into B. Square also quadrilateral. Baby quadrilateral or baby polygon. That is square. Now what I am telling? General quadrilateral. A quadrilateral. A quadrilateral means 4-sided closed figure. Now look here, you are a quadrilateral. You are not a trapezium. You are not a parallelogram. You are even not a trapezium. Trapezium, no. Didi? Okay, now listen here. Trapezium, no, sorry, this is a quadrilateral. A, B, C, D or P, Q, R, we can say. Or boys. Or girl, something like the girl name you can give, or gold, like that. Before we did the name. Now I am giving the name here. A, B, C, D, the quadrilateral. If I am giving the name boys, B, O, Y, S, girls will be angry. That is why I am not giving the name boys, gold, like that. If I am giving the name gold, you will be angry because you don't like gold. Now listen here. General quadrilateral. There is a beautiful formula, but you have to remember that. So, listen here. Can you tell me it is a polygon? Yes, it is a polygon. It is a quadrilateral. You are not a trapezium. You are not a parallelogram. You are not a square. Now listen here. As before, I showed you, I have 4 good pen, marker I can say. Now, with these 2 pen, can I get a closed figure? Now I cannot make. Now with 3 figures I can make, not figure. This is my line segment or marker. I can make the baby polygon. That is called the triangle. Baby polygon is triangle. It is not a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means 4 sides are there. Now I want to do this one here. One more. Okay, one more here. Didi, come here 1 second only. Please catch this one. I am asking her help. She is listening the class. Now stand here. They cannot see. Catch like this. Now here, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Here, you better catch here. Catch here. Now look here. Up. Up. Now see, she is helping me. Thank you. Listen here. Can you see the quadrilateral? This is also another quadrilateral. Now, whatever be that, four-sided closed figure. That is a quadrilateral. Now listen here. I can say it is a parallelogram. For finding the area of parallelogram, what we are doing? Now it is slope. Cherinjitale. Push it. Here. Now it is a rectangle B into H. That is the formula for area of a parallelogram. ചെരിഞ്ഞത് നമുക്ക് നേരാക്കാം, ഒരു പുഷ് കൊടുക്കാം. Okay, straight. In the classroom നമ്മൾ straight ആകാൻ പറയല്ലേ. Now see here. Like this. Another shape. One is like this. One is like this. Nothing parallel. No parallel. ഒന്നും parallel അല്ലല്ലോ. Can you see? Okay, you can see. ഇവിടെ ഒന്നും parallel. ഒരു സൈഡും parallel ഇല്ല. Before that we did this blue color and red color parallel. Okay. I don't want red color. You will confuse that. Now, please wait. Help me. Where is the green color? Red color. One red color will do. One. Okay, fine. Listen here. Catch here. Now all of you listen here. This is a quadrilateral. In the class we can do that. It is a quadrilateral. Now what I am doing? Now it is a parallelogram. Parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. You can see blue, green parallel, red and black parallel. Now look here. Okay. Now nothing is there. Nothing parallel. This is a quadrilateral. This is what we are doing. It is not parallel. Red color and blue, see? Not parallel. Parallel means straight. Understand? So this is a quadrilateral. I think you understood the concept. Okay, thank you. Now listen here. A, B, C, D. Now, it is a quadrilateral. Many call the figure in the question. You can see in the textbook. You are drawing a diagonal. Green color. Okay. For a quadrilateral, how many diagonals are there? Yes. Tell me. Result, tell me how many diagonals are there for a quadrilateral? Only one? No. Two diagonals are there for a quadrilateral. For a triangle, how many diagonals are there? Triangle, no diagonals. For a quadrilateral, two diagonals are there. You are getting two triangles. Okay. Now my concept is, how can we make the formula? How can we form the formula or make the formula? Okay. What we are doing? We are joining here. This is H1 and this is H2. So we got two triangle and perpendicular. Be careful. So here this is the triangle base and base is the green color, the diagonal. Like the diagonal, what is that? AC. Okay. It is AC diagonal. Now take this triangle outside. What is area of a triangle? Area of a triangle is base into perpendicular divided by 2. This is the, we can say perpendicular is the base. First triangle and second triangle. So triangle ADC. Triangle ADC. Area of triangle ADC is equal to base AC into H1 by 2. Half into BH. Am I right or not? Yes. Half into AC into H1. AC means, I can say this is a diagonal. Two diagonals are there. We are taking one diagonal. Here, area of the first triangle, because I divided the rectangle, the quadrilateral into two triangles. They are not equal. If it is parallelogram, it is equal triangles. But it is not parallelogram, it is a quadrilateral. That is why it is not equal. We cannot say it is not equal. By looking also, it is not equal, because different. Anyway, the area of a triangle is equal to base into height into half. That means half BH. Are you remembering the formula? Half BH or BH by 2. Half BH. So AC, that means this is the base. I am taking outside the triangle, base into height, h1. You know why h1? Here one height is there, here another height is there, h2 I am taking. Now, I can say AC is the diagonal, D into h1 by 2. Area of first triangle is D into h plus D into h1 by 2. Do you agree or not? Okay. Of course it is correct. D into h1 by 2. That means area of the first triangle. Now area of the second triangle you can tell me. Ziyad, please tell me. Hello. Area of the second triangle, sir. Okay. What is the name of the second triangle? Sorry. Let me use black pen. Area of second triangle. Fatima, tell me what is the area of second triangle? Which is the second triangle? Okay, ABC. ABC. Area of second triangle ABC is equal to, again, base into height by 2. Base is AC. Sir, first triangle base is AC. Second triangle also, this down I am taking this triangle. See, green color. Second triangle is the green color. First triangle is the white color. So, I am shading that. This, you can see the second triangle, this one. This shaded part. See, I want area of this triangle. Okay, I can keep like that base. Base is exactly AC. So, AC into height is h2, because I am taking the triangle like this. Triangle is like this now. This is, we can say, this is the h2. It is the base AC. It is B. ABC. So AC into h2 by 2. That means same thing I am writing here. AC into h2 by 2. Tell me, my children, what is AC? Same AC. AC is the diagonal. That is the base. So AC, I am telling D into h2 by 2. It is a second equation. All of you look it again. It is very important, because if you know the general formula of a quadrilateral, we can make from here another formula for parallelogram, for trapezium, for whatever the square, everything we can derive very easily. I can tell it is the hardest part. Quadrilateral family. That is why in the textbook they started trapezium first, because area of rectangle, square, everything we covered is lower level. Now they started trapezium. I am also wondering why. Because it is hard. Trapezium is easy. What was the formula for area of a trapezium? I think half is there. Then half h into a plus b. Half h into a plus b. You know what is a? What is b? Mindil adokke varanam. Adonnu marnu poy. Now you have to think about only the subject, math, science, English, something like that, Hindi, like that only. No need of, what I can say, WhatsApp, something like, no Facebook, please, because your exam is very near. You have limitation, time factor also there. You are there in your house, I am here in my house, not in school. School also, maybe one time, weekly or monthly, we can meet. So, be careful, be smart, be active, be positive. Now listen here, the formula. Now you can complete the formula. Sir, how? We divided two triangles, one triangle 1. I gave you the formula, dh1 by 2. Second triangle, dh2 by 2. So sum of this area of two triangles, that is the total area of the quadrilateral. You got the formula, a good formula. I am not talking surface area now, one area only. I told you surface area means for solid shape. Now tell me what is the answer. Please. Anybody please? Tell me the answer. You can add that only. Anybody? Okay. Correct? Yes. Okay. Correct, correct. Okay, another. Show me. I want to see you. Show me. Yeah, add that one. So, area of the final step, area of the quadrilateral is equal to, area of the quadrilateral is equal to 1 plus 2. That means area of triangle ADC plus area of triangle ABC. Sulaila, please tell me. Okay. Why? Because because you divided the quadrilateral into two triangles. Am I right or not? Boys, you are not responding. Ah, okay, fine. You divided the quadrilateral into two triangles. So add that. First one, area of triangle ADC, that is equal to DH1 by 2 plus 2 dark color A, that means area of triangle ABC. Yes, correct. Now girls are active. Okay, fine, good. Now girls are leading, they are active. So here triangle ABC is equal to DH2 by 2. I think I am correct. So triangle ADC we did before. Now let me erase this one. No space. So this we can add this one. Pure maths only, this one. Okay. Algebra. 2 is the denominator and DH1 plus DH2. Am I right? Yes. DH1 plus DH2 by 2. That is the area of the quadrilateral, because addition, fraction, or whatever be the rational number, 2 algebra, denominator is same, DH1 plus DH2. So we can beautify it, you can make it easy. Which is common, sir? D into H1 plus H2 by 2. This is the final formula. D into H1 plus H2 by 2. All of you please do this one. Write the formula. D into H1 plus H2 by 2, where D denotes the length of the diagonal AC and H1 and H2 are the perpendicular distance from the vertex, altitude of that triangle, altitude. So understand this one. It is the only little bit difficult formula in this chapter. After that, please do exercise. You can see that next is area of a special quadrilateral. That means we can say area of, what is this? Area of a rhombus. Okay, next class I will tell you about that, because that is very easy. Diagonal rhombus. Rhombus means all sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. What is the difference between square and rhombus? Square also all sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel but straight. Angle 90 degree. Rhombus, no need. That is why we are telling all squares are rhombuses, all squares are rhombus, but all rhombus are not square. Square means you must be straight, not like the slope. Rhombus, no. Angles, you know the parallelogram, opposite angles are supplementary, add up to 180 degree. So there is a very easy formula for that. I am telling the formula. Next class we will study that. Area of a rhombus means if diagonals, we know rhombus is a parallelogram, rhombus is a quadrilateral, it has two diagonal, D1 and D2. So again, area of a rhombus is equal to of D1 into DT. Easy, but I don't want to tell them now because of D1 into D2. Area of a rhombus. What is D1? D, you know the diagonal here, but here two diagonals are there, because rhombus, we know rhombus like this, all sides are equal. Here D1 Here D2. Both the diagonals are not equal, but square diagonals are equal. This answer or the formula is very easy. D1 into D2 by 2. Remember that it is not D1 plus D2. No. Half into D1 into D2. But area of a quadrilateral, D is there. Here D1 is here. H1 plus H2 by 2. Study this one. Area of a quadrilateral is equal to D into H1 plus H2 by 2. Before that, area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium is equal to, what is it? B or H into A plus B by 2. Remember that everywhere 2 is there because of two triangles. H into or A plus B into H by 2. Study like this. A plus B into H by 2. Here also 2. D into H1 plus H2 by 2. Here also 2. D1 into D2 by 2. Here also 2. And one more. BH by 2. Area of a triangle. Remember, put in mind, strike the mind and put here like that. Vibrate it. Like kick mind. So it will be BH by 2. Everywhere. See this I told. A plus B into H by 2. Again 2. Again 2. We started area of a triangle BH by 2. 2. You please conduct a survey. How many division 2 is coming in solid figures and in plane figures. You will see later more other. Okay then, thank you and have a nice day. Take care. Bye.